not be aware of this. William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet takes place in a walled city. The walled city is critical when you realize that one of the reasons that there was the availability of poison was because of the plague. And also when you realize that one of the themes of Romeo and Juliet, which is youthful love leading to death, and that sort of doomed star-crossed lovers, is also in a backdrop of despair and desperation. It is not in a location that engenders hope, joy, or the things that one would think about when one thinks about eternal love. So in many ways, Romeo and Juliet is a double tragedy. Not only is it about the misinterpretation of people and star-crossed lovers and feuding families, it's also about plague and walled cities, isolation, and a lack of hope.